This is the trend review for the 15th of November, Wednesday, 2023. And today I was looking at Tesla and Nvidia. I actually have two stocks on watch today. And uh, Tesla offered an opportunity for a long after we rejected, after we opened pretty much test drive to the top side. And the first 2 minute candle looked very bearish, but we actually had a BPOC signal and a lot of support here at this level. And the level 2 was very bullish, so I should have gone long. But this is a very hard trade to take on instinct within the first 5 minutes of the open. You can see I almost wanted to take a short here for a drop, but we were too far from the third levels of Camarilla pivots, and the stock dropped to the top side, and it actually started to stall here at around 11. But I wasn't there to trade it, and a trade here will have been really nice, and then an ad for a continuation. So that was that was a trade to take on Tesla at that level, and then we have an opportunity to add again here as well at around 1 p.m. for a really nice drop. And right now that's where the stock is. So Tesla traded nice today, just like Nvidia, but Nvidia had a much bigger move and lucrative as well. So Nvidia opened very similar to Tesla, but Tesla had a bullish level 2, and Tesla had was channeling in an uptrend. So Tesla was a bit bullish, and Nvidia sold off immediately to the third level, and it actually broke down. It fell to reverse from that level. So I actually had an opportunity to make an entry here, but I hesitated for an S4 breakout to the bottom, and it reversed from S6, but I didn't have an opportunity to make an entry here. There was no signal, so this was a miss. This was a miss opportunity here. It was a very nice signal. Well, I need to do this now actually. So this was a miss entry short, and you can see the drop that was very fast, and the stock pulled back. And I'm actually disappointed I didn't take the entry here. This was also another area where we could have had an entry for a short. And this 5 minute engulfing candle was very nice, and I decided to make my entry, but it was a bit too late. The entry was here, and I got stopped out with some slippage. So that was disappointing, and luckily we formed another signal here on a hammer for a reaction of VWAP, and so this candle was closing as a hammer, so I decided to pull the trigger as soon as we were dropping again, and I had to be somewhere at around 10:40 at 8 p.m. I have to be somewhere, so I knew I didn't have that much time to trade, so I just risked it and pulled it to the trigger here, and I actually got out at at daily goal. I just recovered the loss and ended the day at goal. But you can see the stock return and offer more opportunities to enter short here. And now the stock actually sold off continuously. It struggled a bit at S4, but it actually run all the way down. So it was a nice a nice moving stock today, and so was Tesla. I just didn't take advantage of the bigger moves, but at least we're improving our efforts here. Uh, so yes, this is much better. I was in a bit of a rush, but that's okay. This was actually we adapted to the changing market conditions, and this is good. This is gonna be good to practice today. Uh, Actually had what? 3 traverse. Not at all. I guess once we drop into that yesterday's range, that was a nice sell-off. So I guess I'll give it that one. But also, as for breakdown tending, I guess it's an S for breakdown, but it wasn't trending down. How can I take this? The pivots were bullish. I guess it was kind of this behavior, and that's a strategy that works. So it's a C. So we're gonna do that in the stocks. It was a C trade. C. This one, no, I anticipated a little bit. This is not important. This one was executed beautifully. The order book was balanced. It's hard to read the level 2 on these stocks. Win, and we actually recovered 3 points. Three point three. 3.3. So I'm gonna put down that I respect your rules because I managed to improve, and then this is good. With nice preparation, had an excellent pre-market market prep. I respected stop losses and adapted to market conditions. I think we hit a goal. The reason I'm doing this green is because despite making an entry a bit in anticipation, I tried to make it on the pullback on this entry. And so it was more of a C trade, but I'll be a little bit more forgiving. I'm gonna put 50%, but that's still good enough for me today. 2 trades, 1 and 1, and 2 are here today, which is good stuff. It's actually supposed to be 3.05, but we'll leave it as that. And those are the 2 trades I took today. I could have taken more, but it was a bit more complicated. The trade that I feel was optimal was this one right here at 11:32 with this nice hammer, but it was complicated because of this pullback right here. It's around 50 cents, so it makes it a bit easy to get stopped out here, especially with the sizing that I wanted to get. But very interesting day today. A bit of a sell-off, bit of profit taking. We'll see if we continue the sell-off for more profit taking, and Tesla use seems to be trading a little bit different from the market right now. It's having a bit of a bullish run after dropping below 200. But anyways, that's it for my trading review. I'm very proud of how I managed to turn around my week and finally hit goal, which was important. And so that's it for me today.